One of the engineering challenges we face today, according to the National Academy of Engineering, is restoring and improving urban infrastructures. Infrastructures are crucial to the functioning of modern society, as they are fundamental systems that support all levels of urban population. The problem that Canada as a country faces today, alongside many other countries, is inevitable aging and deterioration of our infrastructures. However, age is not the only factor which affects this issue, as natural disasters, accidents, and even terrorist attacks have adverse effects on the state of infrastructures. Considering the importance of these systems, engineers have a crucial role in maintaining and improving them. When analyzing specific examples of infrastructure, such as buildings, we see that many engineers from different disciplines are required to work together to effectively complete a project. Let's imagine a scenario where a building has become too weak and must be demolished to make space for a new and improved tower. Regarding the planning and design of the structure, the two branches of engineering that would primarily be involved are architecture and civil engineering. Architects would focus more on the spatial functionality and aesthetics of the development work, whereas civil engineers would focus more on the structural elements of the design, making certain the structure would be able to endure extreme conditions. Essentially, architects must work with civil engineers to make designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing and functional in a practical sense, but structurally sound and resilient over long periods of time. Effective cooperation between these two engineering disciplines is thus vital to the success of such projects. However, all of the engineers involved, including both the architects and civil engineers, have more than Mother Nature to worry about, as there always tends to be the legal and economic constraints that could result in problems if not dealt with properly. The engineering team responsible for designing this building in our example must work with people familiar with the law to ensure that all government regulations regarding the construction of the building are obeyed. From the location of the building to its height, engineers need to work collaboratively with lawyers to ensure that they have complete understanding of what they can and can't do, and to obtain all the necessary paperwork to permit them to work on the project without any problems. As mentioned previously, financial restraints must also be considered when working on such projects. It's absolutely necessary for engineers involved in the project to work effectively with the financial management team to distribute the available finances in an optimal manner. Monetary resource management is vital to any large-scale construction project, even before the designs have been approved, as plans won't be considered unless they're accompanied by a cost-effective budget. Once the building has begun, unforeseen circumstances can make adhering to financial plans especially difficult, making it even more important for everyone involved in the project to effectively cooperate with each other in order to develop feasible solutions to any problems that might be encountered along the way.